You don't know the name? You don't care?
I don't care.
Is it Derman? For new cams and rockers.
Yeah.
$1,500?
He just said for the cams, he wanted $1,600. Like,
For one?
for two.
Oh, for two. So, you got these junky ass eBay. What's the name on these? You don't know the name? You don't care?
I don't care.
Is it Derman? Ain't no name on it. Dude. Dude, man, you using these junky ass cams?
Soaking them tonight. Them motherfuckers beautiful.
The tone wheel is on it, but is they clock right? Because the part of the camshaft is not that hard to replicate. It's clocking the tone wheel is where they mess up at. What are these? Both intakes? These look like Bank 1. Oh, yeah, Bank 1.
Bank 2.
Bank 2, because the Bank 1 got that big ass black.
Drop intake.
Dude, you ordered Amazon off Amazon.
They say they OEM. I put the part number in.
These ain't OEM. They don't even look like.
Why you judging me?
You don't care. Wait a minute, man. Hold on. Now these can be cheap, but
I'm getting them. I got them for these. I wanted these.
oh, the rock on.
Yeah, you already.
But you're gonna go ahead and throw these in because they're there,
Yeah.
right?
We sold them right now. We speak.
So was they ticking? Was it?
No, it's got a misfire. I keep throwing up that fucking crazy ass cam.
This guy went and bought some Amazon. Oh, that's the one we were talking about last time.
I already put
Phasers, yeah. Is the Phasers OEM? Bruh. Is that clock right? You're gonna find out today. Come on, man. I'm ashamed to say you my friend. These Amazon.
Man, don't put that on there. Cause somebody might see that shit.
The Amazon, man. Ain't nothing on nothing. When you gonna finish it?
Huh?
When you gonna finish it?
Oh. I don't want to get the transmission on.
Oh, you just gonna drop the trans and then go back?
I'm gonna do my job. I'm gonna do what I came up here for. I came here for this.
Oh, have mercy. So you finna soak these?
I'm gonna soak them right now. I'm gonna get this right here and soak them.
What's soaking them gonna do? You gonna soak the rock on too?
Why not?
Why not?
Yeah, they're least soaking. So I'm soaking these folks.
I ain't say you had to. I'm asking you, are you going to? Got some more right there.
I'm not putting all the men. I'm only doing one half.
Oh, you only doing one head?
Yeah. The one that got the problem.
Oh, so you'll have some extra ones.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I gotta get this one all the other bottles.
We all do. Oh, this came with it? That was supposed to go back in the car. Oh my God. Bro, I don't know, man. I'm ashamed to call you my friend. You're an Amazon user. You're a Derman parts user. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I need a new set of friends. I didn't know I had Derman friends or Amazon friends, especially on 3.6 Pentastar valve train parts. Every phone call I get about problems with Pentastar, first thing I ask people, what kind of parts do you use? They tell me Amazon. The conversation is over at that point. Now this is a tech, pretty decent tech at the top of that. Okay, I need me some more friends. Anybody? I'm taking applications. I'm taking applications for new friends because obviously my friends are into Derman, you know, Amazon, eBay. Yeah, they do eBay parts. I should not be associated with friends with guys that use Amazon parts. Oh my goodness. Oh. I mean, I don't know, guys. Don't knock it. I'm not gonna knock it. All right, I'll be nice. All right. Now I told you the reason why he did it because the prices are so high. People cars are total now. If you go to Mopar or OEM, get OEM and put all this, you might as well total the car because it's gonna exceed the value of the engine at that point. That's why a lot of people going in. This is the engine right here. That's why a lot of people going in with new engines because the price of the parts and the labor pretty much wiped out. Yeah. I don't know. New caliper. Well, we'll see. I'll let y'all know how it runs when he get it in and start it up. All right, I gotta go. Later.